Welcome back to Bayan. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will talk all about how to teach kids to learn and practice cutting with the help of scissors. But yes, there are some prerequisite skills that need to be practiced before holding the scissor in the hand by the child. So the first one is using cloth pins. You can use the fancy ones. Second is playing with the Play-Doh, and third is using tongs. These things help develop fine motor skills so that later on the child can hold, grasp, and cut with the scissors easily. Tongs can be used in any way. Here I have used ducks in water to make it more attractive. The opening and closing of the tongs is helping the child strengthen his finger muscles, which will be helpful for the child to hold and cut with the scissors later on. Now the second step, you can see how we are using Play-Doh as a prerequisite skill to hold scissors. And green, yes. Okay, now start playing, yes. First do like this.
Okay.
So as you have seen that using the Play-Doh, just a simple thing, can help strengthen the fine motor skills before holding the scissors in the hand. This is not only developing or strengthening the finger muscles, but it's also helping develop the eye-hand coordination, which is a must skill to hold the scissors for cutting. Let's move on to the next activity, which is putting the cloth pins on a piece of string or a piece of rope. Let's see how it works.
One.
Good job.
यहाँ पे
यहाँ पे कर लो.
दो ना है.
Very good. You can get them over here. So that's easy for you. Okay. It's okay. चलो लगा दो. Now it's time for the main task. I have used two color papers over here. As I always say, use bright colors. I use this paper for random cutting, and the green one I have drawn some dotted lines on it to direct the child's hand to cut in a straight line and a zigzag line. The little hole in the scissor is for your thumb and the big one is for your fingers. Now you have to hold the scissor like the shark fins pointing upwards, and whenever you are opening the scissor, so you are snip, snip and then cutting. Now guide the child's hand how to hold the scissor. This one has your thumb. खोलें thumb को. Okay, this one has your thumb and this one has your fingers in it. Okay, so you have to hold the scissor like this. Now start cutting. Open scissor. Free cutting. Yes, very good. Very good. Can you tear it up in small pieces? Small pieces. Yes. Put your hand on the table. Hand on the table like this. Okay. Very good. Move your hand aside. I will help you. Very good. One more small piece.
One.
Okay, one more small piece. Be careful. Let's see how you can guide the child to cut on the dotted lines. Armpits closed and your thumb pointing upwards like a shark fin. Let's start. Okay. Line. On the line. Be careful with your fingers. Start cutting on the line, okay? Start from the line, this line.
This line.
Yes, hold it. Start cutting from this line. Be careful. Oh, no. Yes. Be careful. Well done. Now stop. I will move the paper for you. Okay. Now, cut one more. Okay, now stop. Now cut from this side.
This side. Oh.
This side. So now you know how important the prerequisite skills are before teaching the child how to hold and cut with the help of scissors. The prerequisite skills help the child holding the scissors properly, as you can see in this video. Always try to give your kids or your students with logical examples whenever you are teaching them with a new skill. In this one, you can use the example of a shark's fin pointing upwards, like the thumb is pointing upwards while holding the scissors, snip, and then cut. The strategies and techniques used in this video will be really helpful for the caregivers of the additional needs students or special needs students who are struggling to develop fine motor skills, strengthening of the finger muscles, pencil grip, or holding scissors. Hope you have liked this video. Till then, take care. See you in the next video, inshallah.